What is up, everybody? How's it going? How's it going? How's it going? So, in the comments below, it's fucking cold. Ah! In the comments below, you tell me. As you can tell, it is very fucking windy. It is very cold, and it looks like it's gonna rain. As I shiver. You tell me in the comments below, do you think I get wet? If not, I will, or yes or no, whatever it is in the comments, I will answer. But today, we're not talking about the weather. We're talking about KTM and Cairoli and the whole bad PR situation that they've got going on for them right now. Obviously, this year, Cooper Webb isn't racing outdoors. Aaron Plessinger is fighting for top 10s. Dungey's back, and he's doing very well. Cairoli's back. He's doing very, or not back, sorry. Cairoli is in the US for the first time racing and doing very well, getting hole shots, running up in the top 5s. You know, it's pretty sad when Dungey and Cairoli, the two oldest people that KTM have on their team, are doing the best. Which started this year as a really good, you know, really cool PR, feel good. Hey, let's bring Cairoli over for a couple rounds. Let's bring Dungey over. We'll have, you know, the big names back on the bikes. It'll be cool. And it was great. You know, obviously, if they hadn't done very well, it probably would have just been one of those things that's like, they tried, whatever, it was fun. You know, came out of retirement, whatever. But as previously stated, Cairoli and, you're going to stop? You are. Cairoli and Dungey are doing good. And now, the PR situation has gone the other way. Obviously, Cairoli, doing well, I guess said somewhere or something, whatever, has said that he wants to continue racing, which apparently they just are not going to do. KTM is either so broke that they don't feel like doing it, or figured whatever. And it's become all I've seen for the last few days. If you know, obviously I've seen other things, but all I've seen on this story is just pure negative. There is no, it's okay, you know, we didn't expect them to race the whole season anyways. No. This is people shitting on KTM for saying, you know, oh, what are the biggest brands in the world not winning? Or not winning so they can't pay their riders? Or, you know, some stuff about how, like, nobody won in Supercross, so they should have all that extra prize money laying around. This, everything is negative. There is no good PR for KTM right now. And even if I saw something, as I was just, before I started recording this, saying even if they start it now, you know, it's not going to look good. Even if they sign him, even if they say, yeah, he's going to race all the rest of the rounds, we're going to pay him, whatever, it's not going to look good. Because it's going to seem like the social media and news outlet pressure is what made them do it. It's not going to be, hey, KTM was really cool bringing over Cairoli and racing in the US for the first year. Oh, and they're paying, yeah, it's great. No, it's going to look like, hey, we caved to pressure. That's why he got his ride. Which, personally, I think he does deserve to race this year. Obviously, I have nothing against Aaron Plessinger. I think he's an awesome personality for the sport. Obviously, he's, you know, the down-home kind of every man's rider, however you want to say it. And he's awesome. Like, he's just personable and great. But when the two people on your bikes are the oldest people you have on your team, coming out of retirement even, like Dungey hasn't ridden in five years, and they're the ones that are doing the best, still not winning, but, like, you know, hole shotting and looking fast. You got to say, either, you know, you're signing the wrong people or something's wrong with the bike. So I don't know what it is with KTM right now, but going from as dominant as they have been for a long time in Dungey's era, you know, 2 Supercross titles for Webb, to this year not even winning a single round and then not racing outdoors at all. Again, Plessinger, same thing, Supercross, you know, a top 10 racer, injured, and then motocross comes around and same thing. For what the year that KTM's having results wise, you would think they would want to have as much feel good PR, feel good stories as they possibly can get. You know, oh, sweet, Cairoli and Dungeon are back on the bike, maybe I'll buy a KTM. Now, this is like people going, oh, I'll never buy a KTM because of what they're doing to them, blah, 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 you know, stupid internet shit. But you tell me, comments below, as I go 2 miles an hour. What do you think of KTM? Again, do you think I get wet on my way home? Do you think Cairoli deserves a ride for the year? Do you think Plessinger's going to win? Do you think any of them are going to win a race in the motocross? You tell me, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.